Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today we are going to have a look at a pair of sandals that I recently bought. I have been in the market for a new sandal. I'm not really a huge sandal person, but I think it's nice to have at least one or two options in your closet. I was looking for something that was a little bit more dressy that I could wear with dresses and skirts, as opposed to, like, say, my Birkenstocks or a pair of flip-flops, which I'm not a huge fan of. So let's go ahead and have a look at them. So I decided to buy a pair of sandals from MK. So they are the Sasha flat sandal in soft pink, and I had my eye on these for quite some time, and I was trying to decide between these and another pair, and then MK was having a sale on their website, so I decided to pull the trigger and purchase the Sasha ones. So here they are. They're pretty cute. Like I said, they're in a soft pink. They have this cute MK charm in the middle. I wanted it to be quite understated. I'm really not a big fan of the MK sandals that have the MK signature canvas all over. I'm not really that loud of a person. But so these ones I thought were really cute. I really like this style. The buckle comes up around the ankle, which is really nice. I really like the footbed as well. I have worn these sandals a couple of times already, and they do seem to be quite comfortable. I wouldn't really recommend to wear them if you were going to be walking long distances, but I think that's the same thing that can be said about any kind of similar sandal of this style. But I really like the footbed. It's quite cushiony and quite thick, which I was really impressed with. And I really do like how it has a little bit of a heel on it as well. So you feel like your foot is actually, you're walking on something a little bit more substantial. The only thing that I would say that I was disappointed with, but I knew this when I bought them, is that they are a faux leather. I would prefer real leather because I feel like real leather is a lot more durable. But I have found that MK has been doing this a lot recently, even with their purses, is they've been kind of offering some of their selections in a faux leather. And I don't know if that's a purposeful thing to kind of give people who are looking for that faux leather and not wanting real leather, to kind of give them that option. I don't know, but that is the only thing that I would say that I'm disappointed with the sandal, because you can feel it. You can certainly smell that it's not real leather, and so I was a little bit disappointed in that. I got these ones in a size 6, which I feel like fits my foot really well. Just to kind of give you a bit of a gauge on maybe the sizing, I have an MK loafer in a 5.5, and that fits me. And I also have an MK sneaker in a size 6, which is a little bit roomy on me. Once again, completely different shoe types, but just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea of how these might fit, I feel like for a sandal, the 6 really fits true to size for me. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you very soon in another video.